Ni mbere ya kamete ya bunge UGITIRI kuria minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Profesa KITHURE Kindiki ekinyitia kiendo kuheana mbica ya ugitiri wa bururi makiria icigo iria ikoretwo ihatiriirio ni ciiko cia uici wa mahiu na uhaguku wa ugitiri. Minista Kindiki ni ataririe makinya marumu maria thirikari ikinyukitie hari bara ya kuhurana na uici wa mahiu makiria gitaro-ini kia North Rift. Riu agitariria bara ino gukorwo ihotithitie thirikari gucokerio mishinga makiria 200 kuma moko-ini ma aici a mahiu.
We are going to discuss together with our security teams how we enhance the NPR components and how we help us mobilize communities so that they can support the security operation and agencies to fight against terror. The NPR that we have not trained, including the ones from Wajir, we didn't have resources, but now this budget we have some resources, and we have similar untrained. I have said 703 countrywide are untrained.
Wandikani wa maabitha muhohio icigo-ini ici ni ugwetetwo ta njira iteithiriirie hanene kurana na bara ya uhaguku wa ugitiri. Umuthi thirikari ikiandika wira makiria ya maabitha 2,000.
We have an idea of where the firearms could be concentrated, the illegal firearms. So part of that engagement is that as we provide the community NPRs, that they should also mobilize the communities to surrender illegal firearms. And of course, if they don't surrender voluntarily, we'll go and take them by force.
Ona gutuika mihango ya mathomo icigo-ini ici ikoretwo ithararite mahinda kwa mahinda kumana na ciiko ici riu thirikari ni iheanite kiraniro ya gutigirira mathukuru mothe icigo-ini ici ni mahingurwo kiumia giukite. Riu mathukuru maria mathukangitio magitanywo guthondekwo weru.
All the schools without exception will be opened. We have started a bit. I mean, because of budgetary constraints, we are not able to reconstruct all of them, but some progress is already ongoing. We had 100 million. I think we've been able to get another 100 million, and we'll ensure every school that was shut or vandalized by bandits is not only repaired, but is also fully back into operation.
Aikari aria mahamurithitio kuma cikaro ciao niguo kuhe mweke mugururio wa maabitha borithi na runa kuma ruhonge rwa mbiraru nao ni mahetwo kiraniro gia gwitikirio gucokereria micini yao ica ikuhi.
Our phase 2 involves domination and occupancy of all areas that have remained ungoverned and provided spaces for terror and banditry to thrive. So those gazetted areas, we will provide security dominance. We are going to cover the entire of that area with security facilities. Some of them will turn them into training facilities for our recruits.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV, Letora Koni Bataru wa Mwagi.